cut out a rectangular sheet of paper. Glue it on to a newspaper or any printed paper. Make a hole nearby the end of the piece. Paste a dried flower on it. I'll surely upload a tutorial on how to make dried flowers instantly. If you don't have a dried flower, don't worry, you can just paint a flower on top of it. Take a woolen thread and tie it around the hole that we made before. Our beautiful and aesthetic bookmarks are ready within minutes. Take a rectangular sheet of paper and paint its border using black paint. Here, I sticked a washi tape while painting to make the borders more perfect. Divide the rectangle into equal halves and then redraw it using any black pen. Draw the black keys of the piano and paint them using black paint. Our easy and cute piano bookmark is ready now. Draw a teddy on a piece of paper. Cut it out according to the drawing. Outline it using your pencil color. Draw the face of the teddy using a black pen. And finally, write any quote you like. No doubt this cute teddy bookmark will catch your hearts. Don't forget to try out all these bookmark ideas, and if you like the video, please like and share. If you love these kinds of video, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon.